Hello darlings, my name is Davies and I'm the knob by the hob. I'm going to do my famous rosemary truffled wedges. Everybody loves these. To have these with loads of different dishes. I like to use red potatoes. These are Tesco's finest. But these make lovely wedges. The red potatoes, I use these always. I love truffle, was one of my other things. It's a Parmesan, extra virgin olive oil, garlic salt and truffle oil. You have truffle butter as well if you want it, but use truffle oil instead. So, there we have the potatoes. So the white truffle oil. It's a little bit more expensive. Again, this comes from a farm shop. This truffle oil you can get in Waitrose. So sprinkle some of the truffle oil on. Be generous. Again, I'm using my garlic salt. Put a little bit of the garlic, little bit of pepper on there as well. This is garlic salt as well, but I've also got a truffle salt, which you can use. Then a few sprigs of rosemary. And then I put just a little bit more of olive oil and leave it at that. What you can also put on, which does add quite a bit of flavour, and I use this on quite a few other dishes, is this aromat. It's almost like a salty stock, but a little sprinkle of that on as well. It's quite nice. And then that's ready to go. Stick that in the oven, about 200 degrees for about 40 minutes.